Hi guys, it's Jana. Today I am unboxing a box of plants from my friend here in YouTube at Virescent. So I am so excited to open the box. I'm gonna start opening it now. I already took out the label. I was able to easily peel off the sticker on the top here, so I didn't have to cover it with paper because it was easy to peel it off. So here, unpack this here. Oops. I'm so excited. I love unboxing, you guys. She even labeled them this side up with lots of hearts and fragile. So cute. Aw. Over the other side here too. Oh, let's open it, guys. Ooh. Here's the letter and a card. I have a card again. Here, also pretty. There, Mommy and Kids TV. Thank you so much for doing another plant swap with me. You are so generous. I love all your videos. I hope you enjoy these plant babies. I enclosed a list of the plants in the box. Your planty friend, Virescent. Also cute, you guys. Thank you, Virescent. And here's more. And here's the list. I got a list. Oh my goodness, her envelope is so cute, you guys, and this note too is so pretty. So here is the plants. Let's see. Ooh, let's see this one. What is this? So I have a lot of plants in her. She gave me a lot again. So many plants, you guys. Let's see, let's open this one. I'm so afraid I might hurt the baby. So here, let us slowly unpack this baby. Ooh, what is this? So exciting. Let's see. I should have wrote a card. I was rushing. I almost forgot to label the thing. So what is this? So I have here in the list, I have Hoar, Sansevieria, Trefiscata, Laurenti, Moonlight, Philoceras. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna open them all up and see what they are. How about that? Let me see. So I'm gonna put this one here, right here. Probably would move my video right here a bit. Oh, this is better angle. Duh. So much better. Right here, guys. There you go. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's late already. So right here, that one. Oh my goodness, lots of plant, Virescent. You sent me a lot of plants. This is so fun. I was gonna send her a lot of plants too, but I'm afraid that it would hurt the leaves of the plant that I'm sending her. So I was trying to put a lot of bubble wrap on it. Ooh, guys, what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Okay. Is that it's neon, so it could be Imperium Orion neon. That's probably what it is. Look at how pretty that is. Virescent, look at how pretty your plants are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love plant swap, you guys. I don't have a lot of houseplants, and then she has a lot, so I could swap her anytime. I have a lot of succulents too. Hey Virescent, if you want some succulents, let me know, so I can send you some of my succulent babies too. Look at this. goodness, what a beautiful plant. I love the color. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I don't have this at all. Wow, so beautiful. I believe this is probably a Sansevieria, guys, because it looked like it is a Sansevieria. I am not familiar with plants. So next one. Ooh, so exciting. Let's see what this is. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so cute. A cactus. Ooh, oh yeah, it says here. Philoceras azorius blue torch cactus. Okay, so it's a blue torch cactus, one of the smaller packages. Careful opening because I forgot to label it. It's prickly. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. My son is gonna love this. He's playing a game right now in the schoolroom. I have to show this to him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at, guys. Wow. It is so prickly, but it is so beautiful. Well, I don't mind getting pricked with a beautiful plant. At least you could pull the pricks on this one. I know I have some of the plants that my son collected has very tiny pricks, and then even a tweezer couldn't get pulled. So any advice there, you guys, if you know how to pull any, like, you know, help to relieve the pain from a cactus prick, or how to pull it. Maybe baking soda. I haven't tried baking soda because they normally use that for splinters, but I have not even used baking soda on splinters either. So my goodness, what is this one? Virescent. I'm so excited. I hope I don't hurt a leaf in here. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, so pretty. Is this Imperium Orion? Enjoy? Is this what it is? Ooh, my goodness, so cool. Wait, over here. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. So pretty. Wow, what a pretty plant. Oh my goodness, I totally don't have this. Wow, so cool. Look at, guys. I don't have this at all. I am so not familiar with houseplants, you guys. Oh, I'm gonna wait. There's here, so there's 2 left in the box here, guys, and I'm gonna wait to open the big one last. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Ooh, there's some metal underneath here, so it might be the... Oh my goodness, I am doing it upside down. What? This is so cool with a bunch of babies. Oh, let me see. She wrote something here with babies. How worth your mom and pops. Okay, not sure what variety. Maybe you can tell me. So let me see here. Oh my goodness, you sent me so much. Oh, you are so sweet, Virescent. Oh, I love your plants, and I just love how generous you are. So sweet of you to do this so much. Oh, thank you so much. Look at how pretty she is with plants, with pops. It has pops. It has babies, you guys. Oh, so adorable. So adorable. Adorable, beautiful Hoar. So I don't know also the name of this, so we'll call it Mom and Pops. I don't know. It has like dots on it, polka dot. So that's there. Ooh, now the last one. You did pack this so good. You are awesome. Well packaged, you guys. And the plants came in perfect condition. Oh, I better be careful not to put anything in here. No way. What is this? Okay, so before I open this, it says here, the ones that I have, the cactus I did, the neon, they have the joy. Oh, okay, so this is the baby Laurenti baby, Sansevieria trifasciata. Okay, so now this one is this is the moonlight. I did have to separate and cut the tubers, so you may want to dip in rooting hormone before planting it. Okay, let's see. What? So big. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Moonshine, right? I know it's in IKEA. I had one, but this is different. This is Moonlight Mom and Pops. Okay, so this is a Moonlight Sansevieria. So correct me, Virescent, if I said it wrong or which one of this. But I'm so excited that I'm getting confused. Oh my goodness, this is so good. This is so good for the house, you guys. I love Sansevieria. Anything Sansevieria, I love. And this is the Moonlight. Wow, so beautiful. And look at, I have pops, you guys. 1, 2. Oh, the pops. 3 of them. Mom and Pops. Oh my goodness. And here are the roots. Oh my goodness. So, okay, let's do this. I have the Hoar, which is the first one on her list. Then the baby, Trifasciata Laurenti. Okay, it's a baby here. And then I have this Moonlight. So this is this one. And then I have the Torch Cactus, which is this. And the Neon, Imperium Orion Neon. Beautiful. And then the Enjoy. Wow, look at how much plants I got. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. Thank you so much, Virescent. Thank you so much. I love all these plants. Oh my goodness, more to my collection. So cool, you guys. I am so happy. I appreciate every single plant of this. Oh my goodness, I love it. And this is so special because anything that is given is so special to me. And then I'm gonna take good care of these babies, you guys. Oh, thank you so much. You guys, check out my friend Virescent at YouTube. I will link down her channel down here below, and I will write down her name, and also she has an Instagram too. I will link down below. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit and subscribe to Virescent if you have not subscribed to her yet. She has a ton of beautiful plants. She has lots of varieties of house plants, and she loves buying online too, and she has bought a lot of philodendrons, and they are so beautiful. So if you love houseplants, and go check her channel because you will love it. You would learn a lot of plants that you haven't seen before in her channel. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna be so happy planting this beautiful plants that my friend sent me. Thank you so much, Virescent. Thank you so much. I love you. I love your children. They're so cute as well. They're so cute opening the unboxings. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy planting. Bye bye.